Good afternoon everyone, this is me Sabah Nazir from class 5th A. Today I am going to give a presentation on matter. The things which occupy space and has mass is called matter. Now if we will take some examples, see its marker, we know that it has mass. Now if we will kept it here, it occupies space, then we can call this marker its matter. Now we will come on our next topic, that's states of matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Now first we will discuss about solid. What's solid? Solid is a state of matter. A solid have fixed shape and solid have fixed volume. Now if we will take some examples of solid, that are table, chair, etc. Now there are properties of solid. Solids cannot flow. Why solids cannot flow? Because the molecules are tightly packed so that solids cannot flow. Solids are rigid. Solids cannot compress easily. Now we will discuss about liquids. Liquid is also a state of matter. Liquid do not have its fixed shape, but liquid have fixed volume. And if we will take some examples of liquids, that are water, milk, etc. Now there are properties of liquids. Liquids can flow. Why liquids can flow? Because the molecules are less closely packed so that liquids can flow. Liquids are not easily compressible. Now there are gases. Gas is also a state of matter. Gas do not have its fixed shape nor its fixed volume. Gases can move in all directions. Why gases can move in all directions? Gases have the molecules in gases are very less closely packed so that gases can move in all directions. Gases have low density and gases may be compressible. Now at last, can anyone tell me the examples of gases? Correct. Oxygen, nitrogen, etc. Thank you. This was all about today's my presentation. Hope you like it.